Hi guys, today we are going to see how to add Google Tag Manager to Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. Today we are going to see how to add Google Tag Manager to Shopify. Open the website tagmanager.google.com and create account. Here add account name. We need to manually input all the information as per the requirements. Here add website name and select web and then click on create. Check terms and services and then click on yes. After creating, you'll find these two coding bars. Copy the code and insert it onto your website. The first code should be added below the head and the second code should be pasted after the opening body. In website, click on three-dot and then click on Edit Code. Here you select the theme.liquid. Place the first code here. Go to Google Tag Manager and select the second code. Press Ctrl+F and you will find the search bar. For second code, search body. Then click on Next. In this place, paste second code. Then save it. You have successfully added the code. Now go to Google Tag Manager and submit the request. Now click on Publish. Here you can see Tag Manager successfully added to the store. Now version 2 is live on your store. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.